Hello, this is Dan, Group Editor, Commercial and Security with Emerald. So happy to be joined today by Sahil Dhingra, who is co-founder, and Vib Singh, who is also co-founder of XTEN-AV. Topic of conversation is, of course, InfoComm 2024. It's only days away now. The industry is buzzing with excitement. And one of the reasons the industry is buzzing with excitement is leading companies like XTEN-AV are going to have major showcases at InfoComm. It's going to be one of the hubs of activity on the show floor. I just know it. Booth C9063 in the Central Hall. So we wanted to bring in Sahil and Vib to just kind of whet our appetites and let us know what we can check out when we get to the XTEN-AV booth. Thank you so much, Sahil and Vib, for being here. Really appreciate it.
Thanks, Dan. Pleasure being here.
So with that intro out of the way, I'd love, Vib, just to give us a sense when people could go to the booth, when they get to C9063, what can they look forward to seeing? If they see Sahil or you, what's the first thing they should ask, the first thing they should scan and look for?
Yeah, it's our fifth InfoComm show. We're really excited about it. This time we're going all guns blazing, so it's a much bigger booth, 400 square feet. And we have 4 demo stations. We are going to be demoing x.doc, x.VRSE, x.doc. And there's going to be a ton of new feature launches, which we'll speak about in a little bit in this video as well. So yeah, there are lots of things which are in pipeline for InfoComm, and we're really excited about it.
Well, Vib, it sounds like for your 5th InfoComm, you are definitely looking to make a splash, and this seems like it's going to be one of the biggest shows I've been to in quite a long time, and I'm excited to see what XTEN-AV is doing there. Speaking about features and things like that, Sahil, would you mind getting into just a little bit of detail about that? I know you probably can't give away everything before people get to the booth, but anything you can show or share just to kind of whet people's appetites a little bit and get them to understand some of the benefits and features.
Yeah, absolutely. So every InfoComm or a trade show, we come up with some new features that are relevant to doing a design or proposal, giving people automation. So let me quickly share my screen and show you something really nice that's coming up, one of the nicest things. So we have been into AI ever since we launched, and AI is becoming more and more into the AV industry as well. So another new feature we came out with is when you build a drawing in X10 and you make connections, you have this new button. You see that check connections with AI. When you click on it, it's going to actually parse your drawing and check for any faulty or wrong connection that our AI thinks that you need to reconsider. And it will pull that, if you can see, this box right here. It highlighted 2 connections, and you can click on it and it will show you it's this connection that's coming from HDMI going to the 3.5 mm jack, and the other one is right here that's going from the Phoenix 3 to Type A USB. So like this, you can find whatever's wrong with the drawing using AI. So this is one of the things. There's one more, which on a popular demand, let me show you that's in a different window. So another one is a new type of document. So now you can design your own plates and panels in XTEN-AV, and you can add it to your bill of materials. So all of this you can design in our X-Draw from scratch, and it will be added to your bill of materials, so you don't need to have individual connectors floating around in your BOM. You can build the whole plate and panel. That's one. And another one is, people always talk about submittals. So a new feature is, whatever is in your bill of material, our software is going to pull out spec sheets of each part and put them together. As you can see, it will put together everything for you, and it could be part of your submittals. It will automatically be added to your proposal as a section because you want this to be part of that. And it's just click of a button. You don't have to do anything. You don't even have to move your cursor. So this is just few things, few of many things that are coming out at InfoComm this year. So I hope I was able to give a little bit of glimpse of it. We will be showcasing end-to-end solution at InfoComm, which will include all the new features and the existing features.
Thank you so much, Sahil. I know if I were an integrator, that would make me say I have to check out the X10AV booth and see how I can leverage all those capabilities and all those features to empower my business. And I also have to say I love the AI integration in the first screen you shared. You know, AI is such a buzzword these days, and there's so much hype around it. But to find somewhere where you can really leverage the power of AI for a material benefit, that's a real practical use that's going to benefit integration businesses. And X10AV has found a way to use AI in a really measurably strong way. I really appreciate that, and I think our integrators are going to be excited about it.
Absolutely. Yep.
Yeah, and it's just not AI. We're working on VR as well. So we're trying to leverage all the latest cutting edge technologies. So our X-VRSE. So I just wanted to share that we'll be doing demos of our VR solution, how you can design VR AV systems using virtual reality, and you can see a live demo of that solution as well at our booth. So VR plus AI, and apart from that, everything else what we do. So yeah, it'll be really exciting, for people, if they can come and visit our booth, it'll be a lot of tech to look to see at the show.
I know you've got to check out booth C9063. That's got to be the top of integrators list. All these new features, this new functionality, the software revolution is here, and I think X10AV is the tip of the spear. It's right at the heart of it. I think integrators need to check out the X10AV booth, and I'm really appreciative, Sahil and Vib, for taking some time in the busy run-up to InfoComm to join me here today. I really appreciate it.
Thanks, Dan.
Dan.
Such a pleasure, as always, to be joined by Sahil Dhingra and Vib Singh, co-founders both of X10AV, who you can find at booth C9063 at InfoComm. Again, booth C9063. My name is Dan Farisi, Group Editor, Commercial and Security with Emerald. Please keep your eyes on commercialintegrator.com in the run-up to the show, during the show, and after the show for more exciting thought leadership content, product content, software-related content from our industry's leading suppliers, our industry's leading names, companies like X10AV and founders Sahil and Vib. Thank you again for being here. We'll see you in InfoComm, and we'll also see you on commercialintegrator.com soon.